Sayyidina Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala narrates that the beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, in Ramadan, my ummah has been gifted with 5 such things that were not given to any Prophet alayhi salam before me. Number 1, on the first night of Ramadan, Allah Azza wa Jal showers His special mercy upon them. And the one upon whom Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala showers His special mercy, he will never be punished. Subhanallah. And number 2, in the evening, Allah Azza wa Jal loves the smell emanating from their mouths due to hunger more than even musk, more than even khushbu. Subhanallah Azza wa Jal. And number 3, angels, they pray for dua maghfirah, dua of forgiveness for that person every day and every night. Subhanallah Azza wa Jal. And number 4, Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala orders the heavens to be adorned for His righteous people, and says soon they will get rid of the grief of the world and they will find peace in my house and my bounties. Subhanallah Azza wa Jal. And number 5, on the last night of Ramadan al-Mubarak, Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala forgives all of them. Subhanallah Azza wa Jal. Standing up a person and asked, Ya Rasulullah Azza wa Jalla wa sallallahu ta'ala sallam, is that Laylatul Qadr? Beloved Rasul alayhi salatu salam replied, no. Do you not see that a laborer is given his wage when he finishes his job? Subhanallah. So my dear Islamic viewers of Madani channel, mashallah Azza wa Jal, one can see the bounties, the blessings, the mercy of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala descending upon the ummah of the beloved Rasul alayhi salatu salam on this special occasion of Ramadan al-Mubarak. So subhanallah Azza wa Jal, do not lose hope on the mercy of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. If you have reached this month, you have reached the month which is full of the bounties of Allah Tabarak, full of the mercy of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. And we are hopeful inshallah Azza wa Jal, nobody, no ashik of the beloved Rasul alayhi salatu salam is going to go empty-handed in this Mubarak month, inshallah Tabarak wa
Ta'ala. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।